How to log in into BBC staff account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your BBC staff account. So, before any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up a web browser and simply search for BBC staff account. After you search for BBC staff account in your web browser, you'll find BBC's staff portal right here, which you can open. And after you open up here, you'll see this options. So here you will see gateway. So if you want to go to gateway, you can tap on this. If you want to go to email, you can tap on that, and so on and on. Let's just tap into gateway first. Tap on it and it will take you to a login section. So let's wait while this takes us there. And there we go. Now all you have to do is enter your email or BBC username and then your password. Then tap on login, and after you tap on login, you are good to go. And that's how you log in into your staff account in BBC. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.